Wow! Pwede ba masulod dito?
Oh, look, oh.
Pero mag-close naman.
Yan, ngita naglay mo kanaan. Wow!
Audrey!
Ah, ano ko vlogger, oh. Oh, oh. Ah. Baby! Baby! Baby!
Wow, it's a sunflower.
Oh, I think, you know, this is like a maze, Audrey. This is sunflower maze. Look! This one.
Amo na itong nasa picture?
Ano siguro ni? Oh, you have, oh, get a picture with that one. Dali. Ah. Get closer pa. Like, put your face near the flower. You know. Oh. Diba? How about Zaki and Mommy? Oh. Huh?
Let's see. Let's go to the mirror.
The maze.
Let's
Oh.
go that way.
Let's go this way, huh? I video. Wow! Ano man to? Zaki and Audrey's adventure? You should make a name for your vlog, Audrey. And Zaki. Ah, dali. Audrey.
Bells with
Oh, happy to. Oh, dito dapat makuha ang mountain, oh. Like this. Okay, para... You have to run. You have to run quick. Yeah, try it. Go. Go.
Dodo.
I can't.
Why?
Carry you.
No, without that.
Go. Sige.
Yung bas ma-slide na muna din ha. Pa-experience ma-slide.
Doon na lang sa kabila, oh. There's a kabila.
Oh, this
Oh yeah. It's easier.
Nada yan.
is connected. It's connected. Well, that's okay.
Wow! Wow! Hala ka, nice swing dito, baby.
Asa?
Ay, dito, nice swing dito.
Ah, dapit.
Uy, natako.
Ah, doon?
Oh.
Paano pumunta doon? Ah, dire sa picture.
Let's go, let's go. Wow!
Careful. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture right here.
island. Picture. Picture of the tree. Ayan o sa tree.
Smile!
Picture mo na, be.
Audrey!
Dali, picture mo na, dali. Kasi nandito sa Sunset Island na tayo.
Grabe pa yung ubo ni Zaki. What happened?
Ata.
You okay, Zaki?
Wow.
Nice day dari mag ano no, mag prenup.
Ganyan.
Mas siguro na ilahang ano dari.
Pwede ka diri gid mo.
What's that sound?
It's a toad.
So,
Okay, go. Smile. Go. It's actually safe, Audrey.
yeah. Smile.
Audrey,
Smile na.
with Zaki and Daddy.
Kamu daw.
Kamusta?
Dali, Audrey. Audrey.
Ano ka dari? Audrey, smile muna ba? Smile. Okay. Why are you scared? Nene.
Let's go.
I think Daddy's moving it.
Oh! May pa ko.
Don't look sa ano na lang. Sa floor.
Wow! Muratag na sa lahing lugar, video.
Kaya gano'n. Malaking nasa pangako sa'yo.
Pangako sa'yo, ipaglalaban ko. Saan lang ko, babe? Wow!
Wow!
I know how now.
Stupid siya.
Oh, this one is Daddy. This one is for Daddy. This one is for No, that one is for me. That one is for you.
Wow. Wow, Zaki!
I think I'm too heavy.
Zaki! Wait lang. Picture lang muna si Zaki. Zaki! Ay, kayo tatlo. Smile! Zaki!
Hello, what's that one? What's that one, oh?
Ba! Zaki! Mommy! Zaki!
Sit down with mommy.
Oh,
Sit down with ate. Sit down with ate.
Yeah. Mulog sila.
It's okay.
Ayun, mami.
Samok ko. Dami sa Zaki pa.